Hey guys, in this video let's unbox the Sony A5100 mirrorless camera, and if you are planning to buy this camera, use the link in the description below. It helps the channel out. And you also get a free kit bag and an SD card with this purchase. Now let's unbox the camera. Opening up the box, we have the user manual and warranty card, camera strap, charging cables and adapter, the W-type battery, and finally the camera itself. The camera feels compact and lightweight. It comes attached with the 16 to 50 mm kit lens. It has the optical steady shot for stabilization, and the A5100 has the flip screen and the mic at the top. It's good for vlogging. At the left it has the micro HDMI port, a micro USB port and an SD card slot. The NFC tag is at the right, and at the bottom you have the tripod mount and a battery slot. Let's remove the lens and take a closer look at the APS-C sensor. It has a 24 megapixel sensor and looks good. Let's attach the lens and take a closer look at the UI of the camera. You have different shooting modes and it can record up to 1080p 60 fps. Let's take a closer look at the controls of the camera. You have the on and off switch, menu button and other navigation buttons. I really like the swivel ring here. You also have a dedicated movie and a flash button. The flash is small and looks cute. Now let's keep the camera aside for a moment and take a look at the kit bag. The kit bag seems small like the camera and has a decent quality. The strap is also small and feels decent, and of course both have the Sony logo printed on them. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. These are some of the sample shots I took with this thing. If you need more info on this camera, subscribe and stay tuned for our full review. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.